Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to activate UICorner, what it is, and what it's used for. If you're like me, you use this plugin called Roundify that rounds your GUIs for you. And if you don't know what a plugin is, it's basically an add-on to your studio. So anyways, here I'll show you an example of Roundify. So here's Frame, that's Roundify, and then it makes your GUIs look more professional, more rounded instead of blocky. And it got tons of installs because no one has made anything like this before. So Roblox decided to make their own Roundify. So instead of making their own plugin like this, they made it an actual thing in the workspace. So let's insert object, screen GUI, insert object, and put in a frame. And then I'll show you right here. It's a new thing called UICorner. Now, if you think it's done, the video is done, it isn't, because as you see here, there is no Roundify things. So, if you want to make that Roundify, you can go to File and Beta Features, because the UICorner thing is still in beta. So, you just go down here and look up, and then you'll find UICorner Beta. So it's basically like Roundify, and there you go. Press save, and then it'll ask you to restart Studio. If you want to do this, do not do it on any of your games. Do it on an empty base plate, so you can still save your progress. So press restart here. I'm going to do no, because then it won't restart, and then it'll restart. There we go. Automatically loads up my game, and as you can see here, there's no difference except that it says data model loading, and I'm pretty sure this means the thing that is now in here, which is this is the Roundify thing. So let's go clear output. Now let's test if this works. Screen GUI, frame. Now insert object, and then we find the UICorner, and it works. Okay, you can also change this too. So yeah, you can still do it just like Roundify. It's the same thing. So even if I duplicate this and then delete the UICorner here, I'm gonna compare it, and it looks more smoother. This one, actually, it almost looks the same, except that the corners you cannot change for this one. But for this one, the UICorner, you can change it. Corner radius X and Y, as you can see right here. Scale offset, I meant. So you can change it, and you can do different things with it. And I also figured this out too. Not only can you do rounded squares and stuff, you can also do circles. You just have to do an extreme number like this, and then you make this small enough, and there you go. You got this perfect circle here made by Roblox, and it looks really cool. So, and if you're still interested of what this is, there's a link in the description made by a Roblox admin of what it is and how to use it too. So you can also check that out in the description below. And that's how you use UICorner.